Welcome to this series of Getting Started with Vision. The first part of this video will be a brief introduction to the software. First of all, Vision can be divided into 4 applications. The first application is Device Modeler, whose task is to extract behavioral models from files derived from measurement, circuit simulation, or electromagnetic simulation. The extracted models then are used in our second application's System Architect. This application is where we put together the extracted models into a schematic, then simulate the whole system to analyze its behavior. The system simulation yields different types of results depending on the schematic, which brings us to our third application, which is the whiteboard, where we can post-process our data and represent it in a dynamic way using different tools available. Our fourth application is Waveform Generator that helps to build complex IQ waveforms without programming skills required.